Hello, I am Ignacio. Today we're gonna explore Stoddard Falls. Coming from the 210 freeway, it's about 10 miles to this spot. Once you get to these tunnels, it's about 1.5 miles to the destination. I know nowadays there's Google Maps and all of those applications, but I like a visual. When I was looking for how to get to this same place, I couldn't find something very specific. That is the reason I'm doing the video like this. I hope that you like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. This is the road to Mt Baldy. Please check the conditions, especially during the winter time. In my opinion, the best time to do this trail it's on the summertime because the days get hot and you can cool off in the water. When we get to this intersection, that's where we're going to make a right turn and it's going to take us right into the parking lot, and we're there. Don't forget to bring plenty of water and sunscreen. Big favor to ask, please do not leave any trash behind. Let's keep this place beautiful and clean. Thank you. That is the trailhead. To park here, you're gonna need one of these. On the description of the video, I'm gonna leave information on how to get one, as well as a link to the Google Maps to get to this spot, and much more important information. Make sure to check it out. Here's a view of the parking lot. I believe further away there's another parking. From here, we're gonna head down to an abandoned road, which is actually the trail, that way. The hike is about 1.5 miles. Some of the social media postings say it's an easy hike. In my opinion, I disagree with that. I think it's a difficult one, so please be prepared, be very careful. Only 5 minutes into the hike, and there's a really cool spot on the left under the bridge. Let's take a closer look. We're gonna continue on this road, and on the left we have a chance to see a view of the canyon. We're gonna continue on this road, and when you find that it's all eroded, then we're gonna go on the left and going down. Yes, this is the part that I'm telling you is difficult. Please be extra careful. It is slippery, it is rocky, and it is very, very steep. Once we reach the creek, we're gonna follow it upstream. usually do not recommend hiking in the afternoon at temperatures above 80 degrees. The only exception is when you're gonna find a place like this where you can cool off. The only way to get to the big waterfall is hopping these big rocks through these ropes, as well as walking through the creek the whole time. It is very slippery and it could be dangerous. Be extra careful, please. Once again, I want to thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Click on the icons on the screen to keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for your time.